Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to cut videos using CapCut. Now let's begin. Right now I'm on the desktop version of CapCut, and you can do the same using the web version as well. As you can see, I have already imported a video. I'm simply gonna click and drag it to the timeline. Now if we look at the snap bar, there are lots of features available here. Now we mainly focus on how to split a video, or that is how to cut a video. So let's focus on these things, that is split, delete, and delete right. Well, you can also do the same by clicking on this mouse button. Let's click on it. Now there are methods of splitting, select leftward, select rightward. Well, I'm simply going to only focus on these three mainly, so let's look at the shortcuts. Ctrl B to split the video, Q to delete the left section of the video, and W to delete the right section of the video. Now let's try all these settings. First of all, I'm going to try Ctrl B to split the video. As you can see, the video has split. Now I'm going to press the Q button to delete the left section of the video. As you can see, the video has been deleted. Now I'm going to look at this video. I'm going to click on W to delete the right section of the video. Well guys, that's how we cut videos or split videos on CapCut. Or in case you simply want to cut a video, simply right click on the video. And you can see this cut icon here, also Ctrl X, click on it. And there you have it, you have cut your video successfully. Now all we need to do is simply paste, so press Ctrl V. And another way to trim the video is simply selecting the video on the timeline. And if you drag the cursor to the end, you will find yourself an icon like this. Simply click and drag left or right. And that's kind of a way to trim your videos using CapCut as well. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you split videos using CapCut. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.